How to add members to Instagram group chat. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, on the Instagram application on your device and make sure that you're logged into your account. Then tap on your DM section at the top right corner of the screen. As you tap on the DM section, you'll be able to see all your chats. Now select any of the group over here, or if you do not have one, you can just create it by tapping on the pencil icon at the top right corner of the screen. As you tap on it here, you can just tap on create group chat and select the number of people over here. As you do that, what you can simply do is you can just add this people and then tap or group name. So let's say here's the group name, and then we'll tap on create group chat. Now if you want to add members, what you can simply do is you can tap on this members icon on the middle of the screen and simply select on the people over here. So let's add people. So I'm going to tap on add people and simply select other person. Then tap on done, tap on add, and we can go and check over here, and there you go. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.